Hey, it's Pipiads. If you want to know which products are trending on TikTok, in this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Let's take a look. Today our first winning product is the portable waist clip fan. There is anti-collision soft rubber on the four corners of the fan, which can absorb shock and prevent falling. The mini clip fan is extraordinarily pocket-friendly, as it comes in small size and shape with dual reverse clips. It weighs so light that it can be used as an outdoor fan as well. It is extremely easy to carry when you are in hot environments such as plumbing, hiking, fishing, walking, camping, etc. The suggested selling price is $44.99 with the product costing on AliExpress $15.73, which would leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is the ice cube tray with lid and bin. It is made from silicone, which is durable and soft, contains no harmful substances, is food grade, non-toxic, and tasteless. It is easy to use. Press lightly, quickly releasing the ice and release the mold easily. With a large capacity, this box can both be used for ice making as well as ice storage. The suggested selling price is $28 and the product cost on AliExpress is $9.68. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.